If you are a stay-at-home mom, a student, or a graduate, or someone who has a job but wants to make extra income online, click the follow button and comment interested. Currently, I've partnered with a platform where you can make money through various ways online. There are many ways you can make money online. We have dropshipping, article writing, gaming, affiliate marketing, and digital marketing where you sell digital products like ebooks and courses. All you need to do is to learn how to get started by following the procedure I'm going to share with you, and be patient because making money online requires some patience. For me, it took me 1 month before I made my first income online, but because of my consistency, I've been able to generate over $1 million just working online. I began as a student but back in campus, and right now I've never been employed because I ventured into the online space. At first, I doubted this opportunity, but because I saw people making money online, then I believe that I too can make money online. What I need from you is the belief, and you have to do the work. Show up daily. The secret for success in any business is showing up. There's no way you can expect money to flow to you without doing anything. If someone tell you that you can make money online without doing anything, like those videos where you are told you can make money watching videos, what is that? You have done nothing there. Online business is just like any other job. You have to put in the work, learn from proven mentors, and follow the guidelines. And that is the shortest path you can follow if you want to make money online. Instead of going to YouTube and watching a variety of videos until you are confused. Don't waste time on YouTube. Learn from people who have already made money online and follow their footsteps. Like this video, follow, and you can always DM me if you want to learn how to make money online.